Do you want to know how you can log into your Nethris Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Nethris Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, then go to the search bar to search for Nethris Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Nethris Payroll. The first step is to write down your user code and your business code. So go ahead and write down your user code and your business code in this box and then click continue. If your user code and business code matches, you will be taken to step 2, which is your password section. Go ahead and write down your password and then you can click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Nethris Payroll account. If you have forgotten your access code and want to recover it, go ahead and click on this code and then you can access this page over here through which you can write down your email address and then click send. A mail will be sent to your email by Nethris. Go ahead and click on the reset mail link and then you can reset your code and then you can log into your Nethris Payroll account. So guys, it's quite easy. Search for Nethris Payroll login, click on the first link, write down your user code, your business code, click login or click continue. The second step will pop up, write down your password, check your password once again and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Nethris Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.